this is our room tour and review for Port Orleans French Quarter. It's a standard room, 1207. Let's check it out. We got some nice Mardi Gras beads right there. Kind of Secret Mickey. Got nice chairs with this purple Mardi Gras kind of upholstery. It's really nice. We got 2 standard beds, even though we're a couple over here. We got some really cool fleur-de-lis decorations hidden in pretty much everything. Nice dark wood beds, our nightstand, some cool art, nice bench, giant double bathroom with dual sinks. But yeah, lots of room, storage, a nice bathroom, a giant mirror, great for couples and stuff. What is that called?
Double vanity.
Double vanity, there you go. You can talk. But yeah, it's a really nice room. We like it a lot. The last time we were here, we stayed at
Pop Century.
Pop Century, and it was a lot smaller than this. Not as nice, but it was different, you know. We stayed in a new room. This is a new room too. They have a really nice shower head. It's like a rain shower.
We got the princess and the frog and the curtain. Nice.
So sweet.
Painting.
Look, they're kissing. Kind of look like a Rorschach test. I'm
And
not sure what
then-
I was doing.
Then the shampoo conditioner into the wall. No more free samples. Went.
We got Mardi Gras bead design on this divider that separates the bathroom from the room if you want some privacy while you're doing your makeup. Not as many hidden Mickeys as we're used to, but they've got these cool lions on here. It's very New Orleans. It's really nice. Oh, I like it. It's very big and it's got nice floors and nice tiles in the bathroom. It's nice. Yeah, I like it a lot. Big TV, free Mardi Gras beads. Yeah, thanks. Bye.